Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sabrina and I do crafty things as well as makeup, I do a lot of stuff here. It's probably not for my benefit because YouTube doesn't like when you do too many things on one channel, so yeah. Anyway, I felt like doing a mug dip today. I've done a couple of these in the past, but today I wanted to do one in honor of my sweet little angel boy, Logan. He decided that his first color that he wanted to speak is purple. So I am going to do a purple thermos. Actually, I'm not going to do a mug. I did one of these before for Valentine's Day. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it. I don't know which corner it goes in, but somewhere. I will link it above. But I've done one of these before, so today I'm going to do one in purple. I also think that I might put this one on my Etsy shop. So after it cures, I will have it listed there. I'll also link my Etsy shop down below so that you guys can check it out. But yeah, I'm going to start doing this now, and let's get started. Pleased with the way this turned out. The nail polish did dry a little faster than anticipated because I am outside and I live in Arizona, and in Arizona it is currently 109 degrees. So this is why the nail polish got dry super duper fast. That's really not a problem, just kind of moving the nail polish around as well as getting some of the air bubbles out, because you'll want to do that as well. And I am going to figure out where to put this to let it dry, because both ends have nail polish on the top and the bottom. I have to make some sort of pedestal situation, and then I will show you when I rip the tape off. Okay, so I took the tape off so that it doesn't stick onto the thermos with the nail polish. It's looking pretty good. Just got to clean up the edges a little bit and then do the final acrylic spray coat. But I'm gonna leave it out here. I mean, it's so hot, it's probably gonna need like 2 seconds and it'll dry, but probably leave it out here for like an hour or two and then do an acrylic spray around it, and then I'll show you the end results. Okay, so it's been a couple days and this is what the mug looks like now. I went back and added some glitter over the darker purple bits just so that they weren't as dark. I'm pretty sure in the beginning of this video I said I'm not going to add glitter, but I was wrong. I always add glitter to everything because that's the nature of the game. Just add more glitter and it will be more sparkly. So what I'm going to do now is just kind of spray it with the acrylic spray. I re-taped the top so nothing bad gets in there. But this has like a lid and a straw, so even if stuff got on the top rim it would be fine, but just for safety precautions it's taped shut. So let's get started. Okay, so here is the finished product. I absolutely loved how the purple turned out with me adding the glitter as well. It is super cute. But yeah, I used that acrylic spray and I haven't used it in a while, so I don't know if it's kind of like old and busted or dusted or whatever, but it didn't seal as well as I would like it to have, so I'm gonna have to buy another one. So the swirling is good, but I don't feel like this one is good enough to put on Etsy, so I'm not going to. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and learned something if you wanted to try to do this project. I believe this BUBBA Thermos I got at Target for like 15 bucks maybe. This is in the sunlight. You can see the little glitters, so nice. And then the nail polishes I just had at home, and the acrylic spray you can get at Michael's or any craft store that is in your area. So if you wanted to try this at home, you totally could. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe if you did. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!